Welcome guys to Bolinao here in Patar
Yes
Beach.
guys, dito sa Patar Beach. Ang haba-haba ng beach dito guys. Ang ganda-ganda. Nag-emote si bakla. Ayan o. Para may portal to another world. Ayan o. Nag-emote si bakla. Nag-emote sa dagat. Dito ito sa Pangasinan guys. Nag-emote-emote. Ayan o. Pak, pak, pak. Yes guys, ang haba-haba ng beach dito guys. Ang ganda-ganda. As you can see guys, all I can say is that a very amazing place to visit in. Ayan o. Nakikita ninyo ang dagat. Very nice. Masyadong clear ang water dito guys. Masyadong crystal ang water guys. And now dito ito sa isang resort, rumarampa si bakla para makita ang isa sa mga rock formation na makikita niyo dito. Very amazing view, very instagrammable place to visit in. Ayan, mag-pictures kayo dito. Wow, amazing. Wow, amazing. Masyadong crystal ang water dito guys sa Patar Beach. Dito ito sa Bolinao, Pangasinan. As you can see, the dagat is very nice. It's very blue. Wow, masyado malinis ang dagat nila guys. As you can see, very beautiful view, breathtaking view. Makikita ninyo dito ang napakagandang ocean. Ay, nagaganda-gandahan na naman si bakla. Nag-emote-emote na naman. Bakit may bakla? Nandito ang bakla nag-emo sa dagat. Wow, amazing view. As you can see guys, it's very beautiful. Ayan, nag-emote-emote na naman si bakla. Wow, pababa effect pa. Nakita na niya ang rock formation doon. Ang ganda ng rock formation. Ang ganda ng rock formation guys. Mamaya bababa ako doon for pictorials. Ayan, as you can see guys, wow, it's very beautiful. Dito kayo mag rarampa-rampa and then doing the pictorials thing for Instagram pictures. And of course, pwede kayo mag-tiktok dito. And then amazing place. Ayan, as you can see guys, ang bato, ang laki ng rock formation down over there. Pwede ka umakyat doon, pictorial. What an amazing scenery dito guys. It's very beautiful. Lalo na pag mahilig kayo sa beach, punta kayo dito sa Patar, Bolinao. Yan, mahaba ang beach dito guys. As you can see, ang haba-haba papunta doon. Ang haba-haba. Ang daming tao because Halloween today. What I like about the beach here in Bolinao is that of course, ang gusto ko talaga ang water. Masyadong malinis ang water dito guys. Ang crystal clear ng water dito sa Patar Beach.
Today is Wednesday. This is actually here sa Patar, Bolinao. Yan, as you can see guys, nandito ako ngayon. And tomorrow I'll be in San Juan. I just passed by to see the beach. Of course. Ayan. Pass by lang. Tomorrow I'll be in San Juan, La Union. Pero ngayon dito ako sa Bolinao, Pangasinan, sa dulo. As you can see guys, amazing. Wala pa masyadong tao. Siguro by tomorrow ang dami ng tao. I will be spending my Saturday in San Juan, La Union.
Ang ganda ng mga waves guys dito guys. Kaso lang ang dagat parang masyadong malalim. Parang natatakot ako mag-swimming doon banda. Kasi it's very parang malalim talaga guys. Baka kainin ako ng mga pating dito guys. Anyway, I'm just enjoying the beach and the waves. As you can see guys, ang ganda ng rock formation. Wow, amazing. Akit sana ako doon. Kaso lang baka mahulog ako. Ayan, pero anyway, I'm just enjoying my visit here in Bolinao, Patar Beach. Guys, as you can see, very amazing view. Maganda ang dagat. And then of course, the scenery is very nice. Of course, for pictorials and everything. Anyway guys, thanks for watching my Bolinao adventure. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Judas Touch. Maraming salamat. See you on my next vlog. Bye! Enjoy Halloween. Be kind, be good, and God bless. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye.